Hello guys, welcome back again. This video practically shows how Ghanaians so much love their country and not at any point allow anybody come into Ghana and do anyhow.
If you come to Ghana, we are ready to die. You don't know. You think we are talking about Frakanwa. Now only video to die. Only video to die. Only video to die. You are communication officer. Other Ghanaians. I'm in the one. Where my body? Where my body bow? Masa from Namumra. Masa look. I said here. Man, can you know what? Who you lie? You lie. I'm not telling nobody. I'm not telling nobody. You lie. You are lying. You are lying. Where my body? My Ghanaians. When I go back for Naba Semester Sadia. Who now go for Naba Semester Sadia? I don't know if I'm going to see. Huh? Because I think this is Sadia. Can't bomb one. I want one foot. You can't be because you are Muslim. Because of this way. Who bet you know? I will do to be a crazy heart. What about them?
I'm very angry this morning. I'm very angry. Who is the owner of this place? Who is the owner of this place? Come on. Look at the pipe. Look at the pipe. You have break the pipe, and now look at what the pipe.
Don't tell me that still every Nigerian I go just throw water, drink and put on. You see that? Show him around.
But you might not, you don't have your country.
Show him around. The face. You want to shut up your mouth, monkey? You too, monkey.
Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how Ghanaians took it to themselves to teach foreigners how to keep Ghana clean. When I mean clean. Guys, you and I know that Ghanaians and cleanliness are 5 and 6. So let's jump right into the video. But before then, I would love to give a shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super excited to have you here. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Let's watch.
I'm very angry this morning. I'm very angry. Who is the owner of this place? Who is the owner of this place? Come on. Look at the pipe. Look at the pipe. You have break the pipe, and now look at what is happening. So you fed this pipe as someone the standard. Yeah, got you as someone. So you help us and support us to change the assignment. We are all changing our motives. We are changing our analysis to bring back assignment that we know. I remember quite some years ago, we were very young. We always came to this country to litter our gutter for us. Why can't we continue as a people, as a human, as a women? You women are complaining that marketing body because
Mundi muhuni. Aye sempe nkwa mundi baby amuto ade ni.
I am telling you guys, Mumpra mundi muhuni. Shetoba.
Catch you.
I'm very angry this morning. I'm very angry. Who is the owner of this place? Come on. Look at the pipe. Look at the pipe. You have break the pipe, and now look at what is happening. So you fed this pipe. I don't know how you are going to do it, but I believe that because you people don't respect yourself, you will fed this water, and you use this water to cook the food for us. And look at how the water is full. I am very angry. Don't angry me the more. Because I can lock you right now. We can go and lock you. Please, allow me to flow. The Dambe women, the people respect yourself too much. When you go to Dambe land, they clean flower back. Why can't you respect yourself a little? Because you women are special. I am always using special because you were not created directly from the source. You were created from our wings. So I have to use the special word for you. But why can't you respect yourself? Look at the gutter. You cook food here and you pour inside the gutter. You cook food here.
Shanks, you see what this guy do? He just drink water, throw him away. Don't tell me that still every Nigerian I go just throw water, drink and put on. You see that? Show him around.
But you might not, you don't have your country.
Show him around. The face. You want to shut up your mouth,
monkey?
You too, monkey. You go just drink water, throw him away. Say yeah, that's me. There's no dirty.
What will happen?
Yeah, tell him. We don't do this in Ghana. No, like all jokes aside, tell him.
Go find who.
No, tell him. There's nothing to tell him. We don't throw rubbish around here. Can't you see how clean this place is? If I talk, I go pour water on your face.
Pour the water put for your face. Pour am. If you don't get water, borrow another one. Pour am. It's a joke. There is seriousness. The person they tell you say this is my country. I don't play with my country. You see the way the place is neat. You see the joke. Now everything that they do comedy. Now everything that they do comedy. My brother, no blame her. no blame and no be fault. The country where you for call na so that they do. Yes. I even think say the thing don change until I travel the last time. Still the same thing. If you dey inside car, you chop anything, na window pium, you go throw am. If you drink water from window pium, na normal thing for them. So no blame am, but as you attack am so, I like am well well. As you no give am the opportunity, I just like am. You see country wey their citizens dey take their matter serious. I tell una that day say the peacefulness and the comfort of Ghana no be only the security service alone. The citizens still contribute to the development of Ghana. Just look at this. Don't put it there. This is my country. You see the way the environment neat. I wish na so everybody dey try pium pium pium. You for no see the neatness of the country like this. For Ghana, whether it be village or city, if you eat anything, you hold am for your hand. Reach where dustbin dey, you put am there. If you no obey, if police catch you, you on your own. Yeah, you get luck. If na me be this guy, na police I go report you to. You face the law. Nobody is above the law in Ghana. The law dey work and the system is working. You get it?
Uber na dem betu ana, brother. You go born pick up for this morning. What you want tell me? Are you a Ghanaian? Are you a Ghanaian? Em na ben. I don't know kanu. What are you trying to tell me, brother? What are you trying to tell me? For Uber betu ana mo sesa there. For Uber betu ana mo sesa there. Mamuska, give them money. Carry your more money they can give them. Go sell a house and give them. Can't give them. Okay, because what you want tell me? What you want tell? Hey, what you want tell me? I know touch am. Where they? I know touch am. I know touch am. I know touch am. I know tell you to go see. I know touch am. What are you trying to tell me? Do you think I'm a kid? I'm a proper Ghanaian. My marking must be that one. They must be done well. What are you trying to tell me? I don't know who found my better message this car. Who will Jimmy? Abraham. Who him say begging? Who him say begging? Who him say begging? Eku chamranu. Who him say begging? Can I'm right chamranu. Who him say begging? Hey, I guess chamranu. What are you trying to tell me? Huh? I don't know kana. Who I don't know found ba? I know found ba betu asa message here. What am I about one mamu? Anu asu mamu. What are you trying to tell me? What you ana? What kanu? Are. Ah. Ya ka sama ba tina that way. Ababe. Ade ababe. Yeah, you ababe. Master, Allah should you the lie. You lie to the boy. You lie. Babu no wemba. Ubu anashibe. Anashiba. And video you. You go by that. What do you go from Aba? If you go bring them. Hey, if you go bring them. What do you go from Aba? You think they will scam me? You never will scam me. You understand me? Look at you. What do you mean? I don't know how. Yeah, good damn. I'm better now. I don't know them. If you go bring them. Abamekasa. That's some more. What's that? See, if you come to Ghana, we are ready to die. If you don't know, you think we are saying Frakanua. Now only video to die. Only video to die. You are communication officer. Other Ghanaians. I'm in the one. We are my body. Master from Ramumra. Master, look. I said here. Man, can you move? Who you lie? You lie. I'm not getting nobody. You lie. You are lying. We are my body. My Ghanaians. When I go from Confronting services here. Who now go from services here? I don't know if I'm going here. Huh? Because I can this is Sadia. Can't bomb one. I want one foot. You can't be denied because you are Muslim. Because you this way. Who but you know? How you think we are crazy or what? What about them? Hey, who Franco? What's your fault? Who is that? Oh, Libya, Franco. Who Franco? What's the officer? Libya. What's your own again? What's your? I don't know what to say.
Truly, is it because he's a Muslim that is siding the beggars, or because he's a human being? This is a man, two Ghanaians. One is angry, he dey vex. One dey vex because say the way that place fine, rich, beggars come see they sit down for road, they beg. At the end of the day, they go see eat something, they go through am. He said this place too fine, beggars not supposed to dey stay here. The other one said no, we are all human. You don't need to dey punish them because they are beggars. He even carry money comot for your pocket, give them, make them take it. They are two Ghanaians. So this man now, The one when you do the video, why will not see your face? At least you have done a good job in one way, but in the other ways, you don't need to take law into your hand. You know, say they are beggars, but if you use vaccination to attack them now, anything happen to any of them, believe you me, you will go you will go jail for it. You know, say na Ghana we dey, nobody is above the law. For me, as you see this kind of thing, as a good citizen, you just go to police or immigration. Look, see. Believe you me, they will hear you, because this is your country. If you take it, if you take law into your hand, now you go see face and which is wrong. So as you are trying, I like your spirit. I love your spirit. As you are trying by all means to make sure, yes, our politicians make it possible to make that place fine. For beggars to leave their place, come here to be, at least you get some place where beggar they stay, not be that kind of place. The other of my brother wey be say you dey against wetin the man dey do, at least you supposed to approach the man in a polite way, so that quarrel no go come. Everybody will understand each other. This is Ghana. Una no know. See, this is Ghana. Everybody, some people are happy with the way the economic is going, the way the city, the maintenance are going, but some are not happy because they need more. You get? So next time, for you that are watching this video now, do you think that guy did well because he's a Muslim and he sided the people, or he just sided the people based on the other man that do the video is overreacted? I think so. So let's get your opinion.
Some people do think that whenever they enter another country, they carry wetin they do for their country and, enter another country, do am. That's the problem I'm having with some foreigners, especially Nigerians. You see what happened to this guy, Shanks. I don't even know. Let me just call him Shanks' friend. They do comedy clips together, so he's his friend, for all I'm concerned, or maybe business partner. Look at what he did. But one thing with Ghanaians is that they will not use their eyes, see waiting no good, and shut their mouths. Yes, they correct you immediately, and that's love. That's love. I see that to be love, because instead of them, holding you in their mind, carrying you on top of their head, this person did it, this person did that, they say it right in front of you, and correction have to be made. And it's a way of, training you also. Okay, this is what we do in our country, and it's a good thing. So why, you can carry it also to your country. Do it. It's a good thing, right? Yeah, so that's what Ghanaians are. So whenever you are coming to Ghana, be aware of this, okay? So when you come, try and maintain yourself. If not, now so they go treat you. Keep Ghana clean. Yes, you heard what I said. We know the dirty for Ghana. You hear what I talk, Abi? Nigerians, who una ears? We know the dirty for Ghana. It is Accra is like Lagos. Everybody don't know una now. Look at how dirty they Lagos. There's a video that was trending one time like that. The way you guys kept dirty on the main road, like main road. You will never see that kind of thing in Ghana. I dey tell una.
I'm on Siweti Share Road. See, this is Iyanoba. This is Iyanoba. See, God, see. Now very useless country with you. See road now, hold up, we don't take this road up now, close to 1 hour plus from Volks to Iyanoba. Now wait till they cost the whole job with this. People cannot move too late. When I forget the country is gone. The country don't finish when I else forget them. When I forget Nigeria is finished. I wait till I get to upper house with this. And the Lagos.
But to be very honest, I swear to God, nothing Nigeria did better past Ghana.
Ghana has concluded the elections.
That's right.
The Nigerian president was there on the inauguration.
Yes, sir.
What are they doing to get it right that we are not doing? We are supposed to be the giant of Africa.
So I'm not going to lie, I'm not going to misword. Nigeria is the most useless country in Africa. Take it or leave it. Nigeria is the most useless country in Africa.
After seeing what is going on in Nigeria, I came across this heartbreaking video that blew my mind. The worst is that this video is coming from a Nigerian youth talking against Ghana. like my own Ghana. I was like, wait a minute, how can somebody talk like this about Ghana?
Accra's GDP is $3 billion. Mike Adenuga can buy Accra 2 times and still have change. Dangote can buy Accra almost 10 times. Everybody inside it. Like, I don't even understand the debate.
This very video is one of the worst video I have seen on the internet.
Lagos state government can buy the whole of Ghana and make it an extension of Balogun market. Forget about whatever is happening in the Nigerian economy. The comparison is not even close.
Now why for you? Like you take camera, sit down, they talk this rubbish. This is why you guys are creating enmity between us and Ghanaian people.
How can you tell me that a country Fulani herdsmen can kill more than 200 and something people?
That's sad.
And our president cannot even come out to say one word. And you come and challenge Ghana, that Ghana is a small country.
And let me remind you, there are a lot of billionaires in Ghana. Ghana have a lot of rich people, a lot of billionaires. But it is not in their character to brag. Ghanaians doesn't brag. They don't like making noise.
And one thing you will love about Ghana is that most of their wealthy guys, you don't know them. They are not noisemakers, honestly speaking.
Let me tell you the part that gets me angry.
Forget about whatever is happening in the Nigerian economy. The comparison is not even close. Forget about whatever is happening in the Nigerian economy. The comparison is not even close.
This guy actually said, forget about whatever that is happening in Nigerian economy. Like seriously? A young guy who's supposed to be conscious of his future and the future of our children and our children yet unborn is telling us to forget about Nigerian economy. Nigeria as a country right now is going through a lot in terms of electricity, no steady electricity, insecurity, poor economy, corruption. So as far as there are rich people in Nigeria that are so wealthy to buy the whole Ghana, it means that Nigeria is the best country. That is how you judge your own. My brother, I'm not here to call you out, but I'm very, very, very disappointed.
Oh, I love my Ghanaian people. You guys are really, you are amazing. You are amazing. Kudos to you all. Guys, everything that has a beginning also has an... Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So, everything that has a beginning also has an end. I've come to the end of my video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do want to like, subscribe to the channel. Share this video to as many as out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. I love you always. Mwah. Bye.